Hey guys, this is Will here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. We decided to spice up this MOAB 392. It's in the Firecracker Red. And of course, it's featuring the 6.4 liter Hemi V8. We added some bronze 1552 wheels. And I believe these are LT 315s. I want to say that's close to a 35-inch tire. Then we also installed the rock slide power steps. And of course, standard with this vehicle, you get the LED lighting, you get the steel bumpers, cold weather package, the painted hardtop, got the reinforced tire carrier. Yeah, short video, so I just wanted to show off what it looks like on a MOAB 392 with some aftermarket wheels. So this thing looks good, especially with that Firecracker Red and the bronze. Something about bronze and red vehicles, they pair up so nice. And black and gold as well. Let's give you a full walk around. Other than that, you guys be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the aftermarket wheels paired up with the Firecracker Red MOAB 392. Also, check out our website, you all, crossjeep.com. Give us a call, 502-537-1738. Thank you, guys.